Hi everyone, welcome to Rest Insight Tutorials. My name is Arpita. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create and store plot templates for later use. We'll start by going to File menu and then importing summary cases recursively. Navigate to the folders where you have your model files for iteration 0 and then click on the box here to be able to import files for all the realizations and then click OK. So now the plot window will open and we can see that it has imported 10 summary cases files. So I will select first two files and then click on open summary plot editor. So we will create summary plot for OP5 for summary vector WOPR, that is oil production rate, and then click on apply and click OK. So in the project tree, a new folder is created for OP5 oil production rate, and we can change the title of this plot and also other settings. For example, title font size, legend font size, and we can turn on or off title and legends both. For this case, I will keep it turned on. Then further down in the project tree, we have axis. So first is the time axis, that is x-axis. So here we have option to change the title of this axis, and also we can change the values. So currently it is set for date format, but we can change it to time from simulation start, and we can change font size and other things. Then we have y-axis. So here we can do the same thing. We can change the minimum maximum value and also font size, and then further down we have summary curves. So we have two curves here. So first is for realization 0, and here we can change its color. So I will make it red, and also we can change the line style. So for example, I make it dashes, so now it is in the dash line, but I will keep it solid. And for the second curve, I will keep the color blue and will also keep rest of the settings intact. Now, once you have changed the plot settings as per your requirement, you can save this template by right clicking on the plot area and click on save template button, and then navigate to the folder where you want to save it. So now we will use this template for other two cases. So again, select two cases. In this case, I have selected for realization 3 and 4, and then right click there and select create plot from template. So now select the template and click OK, and that's it. So we can see that it is very similar to the earlier plot we created. And yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.